Hello, my name is Mass Effect Reaper, and I'm going to add a video to a follow-up video to a video um, regarding a targeting system in Unreal Engine 4. Um, so if you look here, there is a tutorial on creating a lock-on system by a guy named Ray Zion. If you follow his video, you will get a very nice targeting system. However, there are a little bit of bugs regarding killing the enemy. Once you lock onto the enemy and you kill the enemy, the lock-on system bugs out. And so today I'm going to add a video showing how to solve these problems. Wait, let me show you what problems arise. Okay, we're in the Unreal Engine editor. Okay, so let me show you the two problems that arise if you just follow his video. Now, he did make follow-up videos to the one that I showed you, but still he doesn't address two of these problems, and these problems arise from killing the enemies. Okay, let's play. Okay, I'm going to target this guy. Alright, the camera follows or tracks him. Right, now let's kill him. Okay, I have killed the enemy, right? Now, if I target this guy, see, the camera no longer tracks. So that's one problem. Okay, let me show you the other problem. Okay, let's play this again. If I target this guy here, okay, no, let's target this guy here, and I kill this guy. Okay, let me just kill him. Take the loot. Alright. Can you see the camera no longer tracks him? See, that's another problem. And if I try to target this guy, well, look, both of them are targeted, and the system just bugs out. So I'm going to show you how to resolve these two issues. And these issues arise from killing the enemies with the targeting system. Okay, so if you followed this video completely, you will end up with something like this whole thing over here. Just follow his tutorial and you will end up with something like this. Now, the first thing that you need to do is this. See this branch over here. Okay, you have to add a branch. There will be a gate over here, and instead of directly connecting the exit to the set control rotation, put a branch over here. Okay, then you put the target locked variable as the condition. Now, if it's false, right, then what happens is you have to connect it to the close node in the gate. Okay, so what it's saying is, okay, if in other words, the camera will only track if the target is locked. If it's not locked, then the camera will not track the target. Okay, so there's that. Alright, now if we go into the enemy blueprint, okay, this over here is just how I calculate damage on my enemy. Okay, but essentially you come up to a point where you subtract the health from the enemy, and then you essentially, if the enemy is dead, you destroy him. You destroy actor. Now, directly after destroy actor, what you need to do is this. Okay, create a variable called enemy targeted. Okay, and it has to be a name. Okay, then what you do is you compile and you make sure that the default value is none. Okay, so this is, okay, I just have a function here called death, but essentially in this function I destroy the actor. So essentially, once you've destroyed the actor, in other words, once you've destroyed the enemy, then you go into a branch. Okay, now it says if enemy targeted, okay, which is at the moment none, is equal to enemy. Okay, type in enemy. If it's true, then essentially you cast to your third person character, I called him hero blueprint. Okay, it's your third person character, and you set the variable target locked to 0. Okay, in other words, you're saying, okay, let's release the target, release the target lock on the enemy once he's dead. In other words, when he's dead, you want to remove the target lock. Okay, so what you do over here is you will, okay, if you follow his video, you will end up with the targeting icon on the head of the enemy, over the head of the enemy, and this is what you'll come up with. Now directly after this, over here, what you do is you set enemy target to enemy. Okay, so in other words, if you target him, okay, if you target the enemy, you will there will be an icon above his head, and if that is so, then you call this name enemy. Okay, if you release the target, in other words, when you switch off the target from the enemy, then the icon disappears, and you set this variable enemy target to none. Okay, and that's where this comes in. So if you are targeting the enemy, right, you put the name of the enemy targeted to enemy. Okay, and as soon as you release the target, then enemy targeted goes to none, and this is false. So then you don't release the target. Okay, yeah. So now, so there's that, and yeah, that's about it. That should work now. Let's show this in action. Right, let's play. Okay, I'm going to target this guy. Okay, let me destroy him. Okay, first let me show you that the camera tracks him. Okay, so let's kill him. Alright, pick up the loot. Alright, so my camera no longer tracks. Okay, my camera is free. Now if I target this guy, the camera tracks. See, so it's working. Now the second problem will also be addressed. Let me target this guy and kill this guy instead. So let's kill him. Okay, take his loot. That's important. So the camera tracks. You see, the camera tracks. So it still remains targeted to this guy. Let's kill him. Okay, and there we go. Camera is free. There are no more bugs. Okay, that's just a quick fix to the targeting system. If you follow that video over here, if you follow this video, I highly suggest you watch this video and his follow-up videos regarding the lock-on system. And yeah, that's about it. Sorry, I just wanted to clear up something. So okay, let me explain this better. Right, if you target an enemy, right, then you will go through here and enemy targeted will be enemy. Okay, so you're targeting an enemy, okay, and as soon as you kill that enemy that you targeted, right, this will go through and you essentially will release the target on that enemy that you just killed. So that will work. Okay, now remember when you set enemy targeted to none, okay, if you kill an enemy that is not targeted, then the lock-on will remain on the enemy that you're locked onto. So remember that bug where we killed an enemy that was not targeted? The system just bugged out, so this prevents that from happening. Alright, thank you.